Hello. Mina ngishela ngesimayela Nkosi yami. Siyaqhubeka Nkosi yami siyaqhubeka. Saqhubeka nawo NCS wethu la sesichazile uCaps bafethu sayichaza futhi le policy yokupromota njengamanje ake sibheke kwi-National Protocol for Assessment Grade R212 2012 ukuthi ipolicy ithini kahle kahle ngale National Protocol for Assessment Grade R212 provides policy framework for all aspects of the management of assessment within SCS. It addresses issues such as the procedures that must be followed for school-based assessment at the end of the year. Include the requirements for recording keeping, rules for learners' promotion and progress. The policy is also regulates how evidence of the learner performance in academic is recorded and reported. Also focuses on what learners can do as a result of learning. And lastly, it emphasizes that assessment should be carefully designed to cover the content of the subject by providing the clear focus rather than focus on the outcomes. We are on our faith in National Protocol for Assessment. Le policy le yona ke ibhekelele ukuthi ama-assessment kumele emanage kanjani. Njengoba nazi nani ukuthi kunalama assessment a-informali or homework no classwork, kube nama-test, ama-project, ama-orals, thiwa yini yayibona nto le. So lelo kuza le policy ibhekelele ukuthi umfundi i-performance yakhe irekhodwa kanjani. Njengoba niyazi nani ukuthi iy'ngane zifike ninikeze assessment. TV assessment leyo fanele benze sure ukuthi othisha uma beqala bethi bayayenza bayayidesign imele icover zonke iy'ngxenye lezi ey'fundiwe ukuze ibe clear ukuze umfundi azi ukuthi uzowenzani angaphuthumi ukuthi iy'ngane zifuna zenze abona abafanele elandele okusho ukuthi kumele benze ama-instructions aclear ukuze iy'ngane zi-understand ukuthi ikuphi okulindeleke ukuthi zikwenze, ikuphi okulindeleke ukuthi ziphendule. Yabo onke lama-assessment lawa a-informal o-homework no-classwork awarekhodwa lawo. Okwakho nje kuphela umsebenzi wawo ukuthi asuke ebheka i-progress yengane ukuthi yenze njani, iya-adaptani indlela yokufundisa nokufunda, isuke ibhekelele ukuthi iyayizwa lento eyifundiswayo esikoleni, isuke ibhekelele uyabona nje kuningi into ezenzakala lapho kuma-assessment bese kuthi lawa a-formal nithi iy'ngane seniyibhalisile phela i-test bese niyawaqoqa amaphepha niyowabeka niyarekhoda phansi imali lengane ukuthi ithole ngalo iphinde futhi kuthiwa iyenzani iphinde futhi imawula liqoqwe liyorekhoda phansi athi eseqoqwe onke amamaki engane ekupheleni konyaka kumele arephothwe. Yilapho phela sekuvela khona ukuthi ingane ifeyile noma ayifeyilanga ipromotekile ngokhona lapho futhi sekwenza kune-process ebhekwayo le athi sichaze ekuqaleni ukuthi iyabhekwa nakhona le process yokupromotha ingane ukuthi njengoba nimpromotha nje ufanele noma nidlala ngesikhathi lokuza nje ibhekelele lapho nje ithi nama-assessment ukuthi inqubomgomo wawo kumele kwenzakaleni ngabo ithinta thina othisha. Wanowazi ukuthi yonke into le ekhulunywa la ithinta thina othisha nekumele sikwenze kubafundi ey'nganeni. Hhayi ngiyabonga sengizophinda ngibone i-NCS in details.